Saw the snow, saw the cold, saw and felt wind chill values, even maybe you saw some icicles develop here in October. This was yesterday. Beautiful sunset, by the way, yesterday. And also yesterday, Rod Benson just sharing this picture. What a sky we had with those high thin cirrus clouds moving through. This is up on Crown Butte. You can see the group hiking there. Thanks, Rod, to sharing this picture. But what a change from Saturday to Sunday to even today, where we had even more blue sky here. Pretty sunset about ready to happen here for a lot of Montana as the sun's going down earlier and earlier. 54 degrees, made it well above the freezing point for high temperatures across a lot of the state. Great Falls, 53 degrees. Southwest winds were gusting up to about 30 miles per hour. Look at the current temperature still. We're talking a 20 to 30 degree difference from just 48 hours ago on Saturday afternoon when a lot of us were looking at some snow and cold and wind. Still a couple of low 60s, Havre and Glasgow, and a few spots dropping down into the 40s right now. Earlier this morning, it was just maybe a couple of sprinkles, a few patches of freezing drizzle eastern Montana, a few flakes of snow, but that last little disturbance has moved out, and we've got a Rex block weather pattern setting up here over the western United States. So Rex block weather pattern, it's a blocking weather pattern, meaning this will persist for quite a while. This is the setup when you have high pressure above or to the north of low pressure here, and the difference in the spin means that really there's no progression or there's no pushing out of either the high or the low. So as we go through the course of this week and this weekend, you'll see the high pressure staying right over the northern Rockies and the Pacific Northwest, and an area of low pressure persisting down to the south. And that means more of the same. What we saw today, that will carry over maybe all the way into next week. So here on Future Track, the model, the computer model, it's working here. Just not much in the way of change. Tomorrow, Wednesday, or Thursday, notice a little in that wet and white weather down to the south with that area of low pressure. But here in Montana, nothing falling from the sky, just raining sunshine here for the foreseeable future. Lows tonight, not quite as cold as it's been over the last couple of nights. Of course, again, I was by Lincoln yesterday morning, 12 degrees. Tonight into tomorrow morning around Lincoln, probably in the mid-20s, and we'll have some pockets in the Helena Valley right around the mid-20s as well. Tomorrow, though, a little cooler in the valley locations of western, southwestern Montana because of a lack of atmospheric mixing, but there will be mixing across north central Montana, pushing the temperature up above 60 degrees here. Yeah, if you thought winter was here to stay, it is not. For Wednesday, even warmer. Look at a few of these locations like Havre getting close to 70 degrees. Into Thursday, we'll have a little breeze coming through. West winds maybe up to 20 miles per hour, and temperatures will still remain quite mild into the 60s. And then Friday, a little more of an easterly wind, so a wind shift, and that will cool us down about 10 degrees. But who's complaining with 58 degrees for the high on Friday with a lot of sunshine here around the capital? Generally light winds, clear skies, and very comfortable temperatures. Little frost maybe every morning, and in the afternoon, though, we'll have temperatures warming up into the 50s and the 60s. Look at that, all the way through the weekend. We may not have another weekend like this for quite some time. So get out and enjoy it, and really over the next few days, enjoy it around Great Falls because temperatures will be up around 70 degrees, and it continues through the weekend into next week.
Excellent forecast, Curtis. Thank you for that.
Thank you, Rex Block.
And if you like that, you're going to love this, because coming up next in sports, Richie Melby sits down with two of Montana's greatest football coaches.